Wagwan traders, yeah, the traders here again. Alright, guys, I seem to be speaking like as if I'm a broken record. Keep repeating myself day in, day out, saying the same thing. And I'm gonna say it again. Another new low for Muln. So, as you can see on my chart here on my screen, we hit an all-time new low of 20 cents and 52. So that's like crazy. So if you divide that 20 cents by the 25, the 1 to 25 reverse split, you're getting less than 1 cent in terms of where the stock price would be if there was no reverse split. This is crazy, guys. This is so crazy. So, as usual, I have to give it the good, the bad, and the ugly. So, as you can see, Muln, it came down after market to the 20 cents. There has been a slight pop back up to around 28 cents. But as you can see here, guys, it's trending back downward. So, there was a bit of update from Muln that came out, which that I'm going to share with you. So it came out earlier this morning, about 3 hours ago. So I don't know if that was why there was a little pop up in the price, the stock price, but I'm going to share that with you. So it's available on Yahoo Finance. Anyone can get it there. So as you can see, what's going on with my computer here? I don't know why it skipped to that. As you can see, Muln did an all-time crash yesterday. Went down 30%. Pre-market up 7.5%. But look at the market cap. We're almost down to nothing. 54 million is the market cap. I've never seen it that low. Even with the issuance of the additional shares, that 20 million shares, the market cap is still down. So if you are to deduct that from the market cap, then it would be around 30 million in terms of shares, in terms of market cap. Volume was crazy yesterday. 155 million shares was traded, and it's mostly on the selling side. So it's crazy what's going on with Muln. So as I shared with you guys yesterday, the news or the notice about the AGM for the 3rd of August, where they're announcing the reverse splits. Let me just go back there on that. So this is what came out yesterday. They say they are proposing a reverse split, proposal number 3. Also, proposal number 4, this is something that you guys need to be aware of. To approve the conversion of Muln Automotive Inc. from Delaware Corporation to Maryland Corporation. So, in looking at this, what Muln apparently is trying to do is try to get away from the power of the shareholders. So, for any proposal to be enacted, the shareholders will take a vote, and they are the ones to say yay or nay in terms of whatever proposal. But if Muln moves from Delaware to Maryland on the Maryland Corp, then what is going to happen is that the rules are different for under Maryland, from what I'm reading. And under Maryland, you do not need shareholders' vote to actually move proposals through. So this is a slap in the face of, us as shareholders. So for me, I would say if I have the option to vote, I would say no to reverse split. They need to get their ass in line. Oh, sorry about my language. Alright, so let's get back to the news that came out. So this came out 3 hours ago, Mullen issue letter to shareholders. So let me just jump right into it here. So they're trying their best for shareholders to get on board. So they are finally responding. So it's saying that company trades at a discount to its current cash position of 135 million or 30 or 3 cents and 8 per share as of its most recently filed 10Q on March 31st, 2023. The company book value was $2.08 per share. So this is how they started off. Company trades at a discount. So that they're trying to say, hey, we're at a nice discount now. This is when you guys should be buying. Come on. All right, so let me just jump into the letter here. So it says, Dear shareholder, we want to respond to the many emails and calls regarding the decrease in our share price. Since March 31st, 2023, our stock has declined 90% from $3.25 per share. On June 13, 2023, the company common stock closed at 32 cents per share. The company currently trades at a discount, here they go again, to its current cash position of 135 million or 3 cents per share. Despite the decline in the stock price, management believes we are in a position to meet the previously announced objectives for moving first into production and then sale of our Class 3 commercial vehicles during the quarter ended September 30th, 2023. So, based on what the information that I came across before, I had thought that production would be starting in July. So I'm not sure what's going on here with the introduction of the NRTC. I think that's the name of the company that will be assisting with production, and with the Phoenix partnership that will be putting the truck bodies, the box bodies on the back of the truck. From what I remember, production should have started in July. So what's going on here? Anyway, let me keep reading. As per company's last reported financial position on March 31st, 2023, we had 86.7 million of cash available to operations and 68 cents of cash per share. Our book value per share was $2.08 on March 31st, 2023. In addition to cash, the company has completed 2 acquisitions that added valuable unencumbered assets to the balance sheet. So I won't go through that. We all know all of this already. With Bollinger Motors, purchase of Elms. Let's see what else they have here. So in addition, the acquisition asset listed above, Muln, Tunica, Mississippi Assembly Factory has over 120,000 square feet of manufacturing space on 100 acres of land. Yeah, yes, okay. So yeah, nothing new, nothing new. So I'm not seeing anything that would say yes, we have confirmation the production line is rolling. So it doesn't aid the cause in terms of the stock price right now. So let me just jump into some Twitter, what came out on Twitter here. So I apologize if you guys see on the screen a lot of bad languages floating around, but it's a lot of persons saying really bad things, that it's all a scam. So thought I saw something pretty interesting. So this person saying investors have lost hundreds of millions of dollars, if not billions of dollars, in EV industry from companies rolling fake EV vehicles off hills. That's like Nicola, I guess, and getting caught. So I'm hoping Mullen is not one of those fake EV companies. So thought I saw something interested earlier, but apparently it's refreshed. So in any case, guys, and even YouTubers, you know they're kind of mocking, saying they're pumping the stock, and this guy is saying that this is what a fraud CEO look like. He has pictured himself that's not professional and in a private jet. Unbelievable. This guy went from music company working with Snoop, DMX, and others to a car company CEO, and he's just laughing away there. So yeah, a lot of bad things being said about Mullen. But at the end of the day, guys, I would say if you have the option to and you have the rights to vote, this is not financial advice, and don't follow what I would do. But if I am in that position, I would vote no for the reverse split, and you know Molly need to get their act in order to make sure that they get the productions rolling. And with the last time I spoke about reverse split before it happened, I was saying that it's not good because what that does is actually give you extra room for the stock to fall, and that's exactly what happened here. I understand the reason why the reverse split was needed to for it to be compliant on the Nasdaq, but at the end of the day, it's still not good for the stock because it's going to be shorted down, and that's what is happening now. All right, guys. Hopefully this video is not too long. Just want to share some my thoughts with you guys. I'm very disappointed. Still thinking that if this is not a scam company, and if Mullen can do what it has set out to do, seems like they're making the right moves in terms of partnerships, that type of thing. But come on, man, you just need to get production rolling. All right, guys. As usual, if you like this type of content, sad, the facts, but true. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys.